Now, a lot of people will ask me, what are the success principles? The success principles is not just a set of good ideas. They are a set of 64 timeless principles used by successful people throughout history. In my Success Principles courses, I will guide you to get from where you are to where you want to be, teaching you how to increase your confidence, tackle daily challenges, live with passion and purpose, and realise all your ambitions. You can use the proven principles and adapt them for your own life. Whether you want to be the best salesperson in your company, become a leading architect, score top grades in school, lose weight, buy your dream home, make millions, get back into the job market, or simply be happy in life. You can also use them to guide your young people with the same amazing results. Taken together and practiced every day, these principles will change your life beyond your wildest dreams. You can buy the book and work through the principles on your own. Or why not join one of my courses to get the guidance and support you need to make the changes you want in your life? Find out more by visiting lesliestrachan.com today.